My name is Ryan Mota, and my project is on exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit around faraway stars. One method that scientists use to detect exoplanets is the transit method, where a space observatory called Kepler, developed by NASA, detects the slightest decrease in light emitted from the star when a planet passes in front of it. I have developed a small model of the transit method to show how it works. This foam ball represents a planet that is orbiting around a star represented by this flashlight. This is a Finch robot that represents the Kepler spacecraft. It uses its two light sensors to detect the amount of light that the star shines on it. I wrote a program that writes the data that was received by these sensors onto a graph. This is a graph I made using Java that plots the light that the Finch robot sees through its two light sensors from 0% to 30% of the total amount that it can sense. Most of the time, the light remains constant when the star is showing a constant amount of light towards the sensors, but when a planet passes in front of the star, the light dims for a few moments. Now the star is shining brightly on the two light sensors of the Finch, but when a planet passes in front of the star, then some of the light is cut off by the shadow, and the sensor will decrease the amount of light it senses. Now let's turn on the motor and watch the planet orbit the star. Now you can see every time the planet orbits in front of the Finch, there is a slight decrease in the amount of light that is happening periodically. The light is going from 22% down to about 17%. Using my flashlight, my Kinects model, and a Finch robot, I've demonstrated how exoplanets can be discovered.